Hello, hello. Today we're taking a look at cat mail. I believe it has to do with cats and possibly mail. But let's see. Cat Mail Co. Hmm, no. I think we call it what's a good name? Uh Tripolini Delivery. Tripolini Delivery, no. Yeah. Lino Deliverino. That's That's perfect. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Let's see what we have to do. First day of work. I hope everything will be fine. I heard the old postman retired. Too bad he couldn't be here on my first shift. Kind of strange to be on the other side of the counter. Yep. Call the customer. Oh,
Meow.
how do you do? My name is Vivian Velvet Paw. It's big box. I'm building cardboard castle.
Meow.
Pick up a parcel. Like just any parcel? Oh, no. Uma. Drop. This is probably it. Vivian V. Are you Vivian V? Yes.
Meow.
Thank you, my dear. Have a heavenly day. You're very welcome. Look at the map. The map? The map. Inbound and outbound. The post office handles two types of parcels. Those for Cats Island, which will be requested at the counter, and those for other destinations, which will leave the island. We're here. Okay. Kind of want to, like... Wait. Drop. Hold to throw. Oh, okay. Can I? Oh, I could just do that. Okay, perfect. Just so I have more of a,
Meow.
Good day. I'd like to send this shipment. Freya K.
Meow.
Please be careful with it. Bye. Okay. So, if I am to ship something, open the stamp mode by pressing F. You stamp the correct destination. Was this not the correct destination? Um. Okay. How would I know? How would I know? That that Oh, because this is here. Okay. Look at the whiteboard. Each parcel requires a certain number of stamps based on its weight. Any stamp in the correct category are accepted. Only the number matter. Can I place you here? Oh. So blue is 4 stamps. Where are the stamps? Is that also? Oh, that is also here. Okay. So it doesn't matter what. So I'm gonna do boop and boop and boop and a goldfish. Time moves forward every time a customer is satisfied, so take your time. Oh, okay, so only that. What is this? This says 1 stamp. Is this supposed to be in here? I don't like that it's just sitting there. Doesn't have... Oh! Tigger Q. And that is... I believe that is same... Yeah, so that is also going to this place. Highway nothing. Continue serving customers.
Wow.
Hi, I'd like to send that. Okay. Port Windy. Perfect. And that's a 1. And we put this on there. There we go. And then we go. Perfect. And this is also going to Port Windy. And oh, how many? Also 1.
Wow.
So, it's for my wife. Poyon Keen Scratch. I was told that it is almost my height. Almost your height? Oh. Yeah, that's about what I figured, yeah. Okay. Yeah, indeed. I wonder what's behind there too. Hi, do you have my package? It has a sprig of lavender sticker. Parcel is cube-shaped. I mean, you could just tell me your name. What's this? Why did I? Oh, so I know. Oh, okay, okay. So I need to clean this place up, don't I? This is also for Port Windy. Let's see. This is for here. This is for Port Windy. Yeah, this was for here, sure. Forgot. This is for here. This is for Port Windy. This is for here. This is for here. This is for Port Windy. This is for here. This is for Port Windy. This is for here. This is for Fort Windy. This is for Fort Windy. This is for here. Can't I just like place it on top here, bro? This is for here. This is for here. This is for Fort Windy. This is for Fort Windy. I mean, thank you. This is for here. This is for here. Here. For here. For here. Oh, that is nice. Okay. Nope. That is a nope. Fort Windy. And another Fort Windy. And another one for Fort Windy. Another one. And this is for here. Fort Windy. And this is for here. Okay, that's not entirely. Okay, but you said your parcel is cube-shaped. Sprig of lavender sticker. And it's cube-shaped. This is cube-shaped. Does this have a sprig of lavender? No. Not this one. Oh, it has to be one for here, obviously. But of course. So it has to be a cubed one. Piece. Sprig of lavender. Ingmar P. Thanks. Have a nice day. You too, buddy. Empty the boat. Fulfill his... Okay. Oh, where did this come from? Okay. Well, these are here. I know, buddy. The sea is calm today. Okay. Thank you. 420. So what do you have? Buddy. Buddy. Do I have some shit for you? Let's get this out of the way first. I believe all of these were for there, right? I believe so. Wonder... Wouldn't dream of giving you the wrong parcels, buddy. The only question is, am I able to give you... This definitely, I should put this further away so I don't fuck it up. Can I put them anywhere except for on here? No, I cannot. Why can I not do this? And these were for here. Okay. As soon as I get like everything more under control, it should be fairly satisfying, I believe. Is there more space there? There is. Okay. No, it does not like that. So what if we do this? Can I put it there then? Can. Okay. But I cannot put it on there. Not on there. This was for D. I just don't know if I can get all of it on. Unless there's more space somewhere. Oh wait, it has to be... Oh, okay. Okay. And I guess I cannot do... Can't do... Pretty sure That's might be everything I can grab. Oh no, I said wrong. So, oh no, I said parcel wrong. That's bad. The night works just like the day. Satisfy customer requests and have fun. It's a single parcel on the conveyor belt to scan it. If the scanner detects anything, add the stamp that matches the indicated constraint to the parcel. You only need to do that for parcels customers give you. Okay. 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 Let's shove some parcels in here, shall we? With this. With the scanner operational, you will know handle fragile and heavy parcels. Fragile parcels can't have anything above them. Heavy parcels will crush everything under them. Damages to the parcels happen between shifts. Oh, okay. Yeah, so all of these are for here. I wonder if there's if I should just put them here instead. It's probably better. Nope. This can still be one though. Square. And this goes here. Okay. So here, here, here. What are doors? Oh, these. Oh, this is here. This is windy. This is windy. Any just loose packages.
Meow.
Hello, can you take care of that? Probably can, buddy. Oh, wrong side. This is a heavy one. That means this is heavy. This also goes toward windy, which means it's bottom. And It's heavy, so it probably needs a bunch of stamps. It does. It needs 6 stamps. How, and how. Nice. Okay. So nothing below this one. Huh? Oh, hi. Don't you recognize me? It's me, Opal. Just a small box, nothing special. Small box. Teddy. Wade. Maybe it's actually not a small box. Novak. Luna. Shuki, Hugo. Zanil. Or Zane, actually. So. Grace. Opal. About time. Okay.
No.
Oh, hi. Don't you recognize me? It's me, Tigger. It's just a letter. Percy. Tigger tea.
No.
About time.
No.
I need to send that. Okay. This is good to go. What we need. And does this not need to be weighed? I guess it don't. Okay. And nothing dangerous. And Port Windy. Oh, wait, I might have been supposed to do it here. And Uno stab. Let's see. Wait, this on the other one. We can. And it's blue. So that's 4. Good evening. I'm Imani Pelfer. My package has a red ribbon. Thanks. Have a nice day. You too, buddy.
Wow.
Hello, I brought something. I can tell. Yellow. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay. So let's hand over some. Well, soon. Okay. So this is correct. 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 This is. Come on. You can do it. Why can it not do it? Oh, it's longer. Okay. Now, question is, does this fit? Wait. Does this fit? Well, not entirely. I mean, I feel like it definitely should fit on here, but I guess not. Some more postcards. Nice. Don't know if I have any of those though. I guess maybe that was it. What I had for you. Okay. No wrong ones. Unlocked room. Winter. Ship to Sunny Shores. Oh, and that was the demo. What a lovely game. Okay, well, that was it. I hope you enjoyed, and check out Cat Mail on Steam. Bye.